But she got out of her car, came over, and then she started throwing stuff at the car, my truck.
He was behind me and he hit the back of my car a little bit, so I got out the car to check it or whatever, but I could see him through the car like going like this, cussing me out and stuff.
On June 1st, 2023, officers were dispatched to a chaotic scene after receiving reports of a road rage incident. According to multiple witnesses, a woman had physically attacked a man following a heated confrontation on the roadway. When police arrived, it quickly became clear who the aggressor was.
And kids in the back seat.
Yeah, and the
Multiple kids in the back seat. Are you pressing charges?
I want to, yes.
Remember 98?
Hey, we got 10-4 for charges as well.
Do you have a video or?
I have a...
No, you don't get any video. Just the picture of the car. It all happened so fast.
Battery so far.
Do you need any medical attention?
No.
They threw something. I mean,
So what happened?
She had an iron on the cord.
She got out of the
so
car.
What was you hit with?
I think it was the iron.
I don't... She saw it. I didn't see it. I didn't expect it. But she got out of her car, came over, and then she started throwing stuff at the car, my truck. So I got out and I said, get back into your car. And that's when I started getting hit.
Okay. So you got hit with an object?
Oh yeah.
You don't know?
I don't know what it was.
I saw her get out with the thing on the cord, and I'm pretty sure it was an iron.
Do you need fire department? Do you need any type of medical attention?
No. I don't know how. No.
Where were they last seen headed?
They followed me into the TGIF parking lot.
Okay, and then where'd they go from there?
They tried to come out onto the road here, but I turned right before she could when the other cars were coming.
Hey, if you were to see this person again, could you identify?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Whatever she swung at me, it was on a rope, and it went around my neck.
You said where they came in here, you guys stopped.
So when we came
And that's the only thing you have is
The roadway?
Yeah.
the roadway. And you said she was throwing stuff at your car?
Yeah.
Do you have any damage on your car?
I don't know. I didn't even look.
Was it at the front?
I didn't wash my hands because I wanted, you know.
That's right, man. I
That's
see
fine,
everything right here.
Yeah.
I'm
You
gonna put
also
you on the
got hit in
stand.
the back of the neck.
Sure. Can you find a vehicle? We don't know where anything's at. Okay. 1026.
And whatever she had a rope, and it went around me. So she got me around the neck also.
Jesus Christ.
Why did you guys start arguing? Like, what did this start over?
She said I was too close to her. We were stopped. So
Where were you stopped?
at the exit, at the light.
That's Conroy by the I-4?
Yeah, we were getting off I-4 to turn right to come into here.
Okay, so you were exiting the I-4 and you were heading eastbound. And you were getting off, you rolled up next to her, and after you rolled up next to her, she got the car in front of you.
Well, and the weird thing was is we were sitting there for a while. It's not like I just pulled up. We were sitting there for a while. And then she just got out and she started screaming at me that I was too close to her.
Gotcha.
And I rolled down my window and said, ma'am, am I hitting you? And then she started throwing stuff on my car. And then she got a weapon. She said it looked like an iron.
Yeah.
And she was coming at me with it. I asked her to get back into the car.
Yeah.
She just kept throwing stuff out. I got out of my car. I said, ma'am, get back into your car.
Okay.
And that's when I started getting hit.
Okay. All right, so this is what's gonna happen. The vehicle's registered to her. I'm gonna put you on a statement right now, okay? Basically, what you told me, put on the statement. At the end of your statement, you want to write, you wish to press charges and testify in court, okay?
Okay.
Good thing you got the tag, because I'm probably gonna, where do you live? Okay, cool. So, at some point, I'm gonna contact you, and we're gonna conduct a photo lineup, okay? And then it's gonna have her picture and multiple pictures, and then you're gonna be able to pick. If you pick correctly, then I'll write a warrant for this woman's arrest.
Okay, question for you. Sure. Because her hair was put up.
Okay, that's fine.
If that's how I know her.
That's fine.
If I can't pick her up, does that mean nothing's going to be done to her, even though I gave the tag?
Yeah, because we don't know if that was her driving the vehicle or not. But you know, it's registered to two people. It's registered to a male and a female.
Right.
So.
Was she the only one in the car?
No, she had kids in the back.
Do you have your ID on you?
And the kids were screaming.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
How old were they? Were they young?
They were young. Oh, you got her?
Yeah. Probably gonna do a show up right now.
Let me see.
No,
Here, check out. I called Dan.
the back window for me. What's up, everyone? Hey.
I called Dan because me and this man had an altercation.
Who? Point over there.
No, I'm pointing over there because I just got off the exit over there. Okay. So me and this man had an altercation. He was behind me and he hit the back of my car a little bit. So I got out the car to check it or whatever, but I could see him through the car like going like this, cussing me out and stuff. I'm gonna tell him. But so he was going like this or whatever. So I'm like, I'm not even finna argue with you, and that's just my god brother, just in case he need to take my kids. But yeah, it's in that car. So I was like, you know, I'm not even finna do this or whatever. Like, I tried to get back in my car, attempt to get back in my car. He got out of his car and started cussing me out. He was right here by my car because I was trying to.
Where did this happen?
Right there on Cornrow Road, in front of the Super Target. Like when you get off the interstate and the Target, like right there in front of you. Okay. Like it's like a it's like, you know, traffic or whatever.
The ramp before you turn on the Conroy, or you're on?
Yeah, so I was turning right.
Okay.
So as I was turning right or whatever, he hit the back of my car a little bit. So I got out the car, like I told you, I was checking or whatever. And then back to what I was saying, he was right here by the car when I was attempting to get back in the car. He was like, "Oh, you're not gonna do nothing," all in my face, like we was about to kiss. And we fought. Like he hit me and we was fighting.
On the off ramp.
Huh.
Over there at the off ramp.
Yes.
So Conroy.
Yes.
Okay.
They were out of their vehicles?
So yeah, it was
Fighting
like
on
a
the
fender
off.
bender, and they had to fight.
He came all in my car and was punching me while my kids was in the car.
And you don't need the fire department or anything to check you out, or you injured at all? You're okay. And that's who is it?
Oh, that's my god brother, just in case he needs to get my kids or anything.
Coming to do some shopping or something?
Yes, I was coming. I was actually coming to meet him at the premium outlets.
Okay.
Did the man stop? Because when I was on the phone with the lady, I was trying to get his tag number, but he was speeding through the parking lot, and I told her I wouldn't go follow him no more. But I gave her the wrong tag number.
Yeah. So did you see any damage to your vehicle? Because I didn't really see anything.
No, I couldn't even look because when we was at the light, I didn't even get out and look behind before me and him started arguing. Like when he seen me already get out the car, he was already mad and started like cussing me out and stuff. It's crazy how you have to argue with people on the road that you don't even know. Yeah. You're never gonna see them again.
Would you be willing to write a statement about what happened?
Yes.
You got that paper open, right?
Yes.
I'd like to write your first and last name in that gray box, and you're voluntarily making this statement.
Ma'am,
Hello.
how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Can I talk to you?
Yes.
Alright, you can leave this with this officer real quick. Yo, so you gonna meet the kids? It's cool?
Yeah.
I got his side of the story. I got an independent witness. And then I got kind of your side of the story.
Right.
So I already kind of know the truth. So just tell me your version of the events.
Okay, so when we was getting off the exit, the light had turned red because it was green.
Yes.
And then, you know, cars be coming through this way. So when the cars was coming that way or whatever, you know, I'm stopped at the light or whatever, and he kept jerking up on my car. So I felt like him bump my car. So I got out of the car and like I'm like, you don't see the red light? Like, the hell? So that's when he was cussing me out through the car, all this other stuff. So I attempted to get back in my car, and he already had made his way out of the car to where my driver's side was. And then we was face to face like this, but we were way closer than what me and you were.
I got you.
And he was like, "You're not gonna do shit. You're not gonna do shit." And before I know it, we was fighting. And I even tried to attempt to get back in the car. He was in my car, like over me.
Let me ask you this. Who got out the car first?
I did, to check the back of the car.
Well, I didn't see any type of damage on his vehicle, and I rolled up and I see any type of damage on your vehicle.
Right, but at the light you could see him kept jerking up. If you watch the cameras, you'll see him.
But just because he's moving up doesn't mean.
But if I feel somebody tap me from behind, I have the right to check my car. And also, if somebody tap you from behind, sometimes it always don't leave a damage. Sometimes it don't leave a damage.
Okay.
Because I don't accidentally tap the car and it didn't leave a damage on my car or the car. So I know that can happen. And he was jerking up on my car. And my kids can even tell you. My kids are 6-year-old and 4-year-old. My kids can even tell you that he was in my car hitting me.
Okay. So,
And who is the witness? His wife?
you know, it's not his wife at all. And her truth is good. It's got his side, which is extreme, getting your side, which is extreme, and I got hers, which was perfect and probably very accurate to what happened. Okay, all right. So what I'm gonna ask you is, sorry, brain fart. Sorry. So, at what point did you hit this man with an iron?
I didn't hit him with no iron.
What did you use? What was in your hand?
It was my tire pressure thing. Because he got in my car and it's in my front seat. My tire pressure, because my tires keep going down. It's the tire pressure that I keep in my car because I have a nail on the passenger side. And he was in my car, so I hit him with it. Yes, because it was on the floor.
Who put hands on who first?
He put hands on me.
475
And I had
copy.
his what is his little badge thing that he had in my car? He dropped that in my car. That's how you know he was in my car. Why would his badge be in my car if he wasn't in my car?
5150 Linear Boulevard.
So we both could go to jail, because he was in my car, and yes.
Okay. I understand why you would use a.
Because he was attacking me while my kids
I
were in the car.
understand that, and it's totality of everything. You're a small woman, I get it. I'm putting pieces together. Right now, you both suspects, and I'm trying to do my job.
It's only right.
I mean, for future reference, I wouldn't. When you get out of the car.
And I wouldn't attack nobody with nothing. That's not no weapon that I was using or nothing like that. That is for my tire. It's a tire pressure. It wasn't no iron. It's a tire pressure thing. When, yes.
Can I see this tire pressure thing?
Sure is. You change this call to a 22, please.
Is this your car or your mother's?
It's mine.
Not
I think
registered
my auntie name is on it too.
Okay.
Because she's a co-signer.
With another male, correct? There's 2 registers. One male, one female.
Huh?
You heard me?
No.
Yes.
Oh, no, she didn't tell me that.
Okay, so this is a.
You plug this into that. And he got my other part.
Got it. Okay. Come on, here.
Tag 663 Uniform Golf X-ray 663 UTX.
So you're telling me he walked up to you, you both were out of the car, then you got back in the car, and then he followed you in the car?
Yes, he did. Well, no, he didn't follow me in the car when me and him was hard down, like face-to-face fighting, and well, whatever, like he was pushing him out in my face.
Where did he hit you first?
He hit me right here, but I don't know how, like,
do you have any other marks on you?
Well,
I mean, you don't got to take off your clothes.
no, I about to say, it's red right there.
You know what I'm saying?
But, yeah, and if we was like this, ask my kids. What the hell? All right, then y'all see him hit me. Did the man come to the car?
Yes.
Right.
But they're with you, and
no, but they wouldn't lie. Kids don't lie for no reason. And we
you.
was right here, and he hit, you see he hit my car a little bit, and when I proceeded to get back in the car, I'm trying to show him, demonstrate. So when I proceeded to get back in the car, he was like this. His lady even, and y'all could roll the cameras and see him in my car. I don't have to lie, roll the traffic cameras. I would happily show you. Well, yeah.
I got you.
Relax,
I'm trying to get everybody's story. I wasn't there.
No, because I know he has a wife. I know he has a wife in his car, and y'all gonna take her side and his side. I don't know what's going on.
And you don't even know what the independent witness is saying. And what if the independent witness is favoring you? And you talking all this?
No, I'm not even talking.
But this is
I'm not talking about
you don't even know.
though.
But you don't even know what's going on right now.
I'm just saying
making
though,
assumptions.
because y'all not even trying to listen to my kids, and I know that he have an adult witness, so that you know. I know y'all can't question the kids, right?
How old is kid?
6 years old.
Come on. Really?
But the kids don't lie. Like I'm telling y'all, just ask them without me being right here. Ask them.
So, I'm just trying to put pieces together. Okay. You have her information? Yeah. And all that? All right. So at what point did he put hands on you first?
when we was face to face, and he was like, I'm not gonna do shit and all this other stuff. Like,
And
he was,
like, did he put hands out and he hit you, or did he touch you, or
he pushed me.
pushed you
and-
like?
Yeah, and like I pushed him back. I don't even remember like had my fist balled up hitting this man. I didn't ball my fist up hitting this man. I probably scratched him or something, but I didn't ball my fist up hitting him. Like I was not trying to fight him.
Understood.
Like it's a man. When I seen him, literally, like when we were face to face, I'm like, like what the
I got
hell?
you.
I'm not
I got
gonna
you.
fight you.
I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're telling me that the iron happened when you were in the vehicle.
That's not an iron.
Whatever this thing thing happened while you were in the vehicle. You used it because he was in your vehicle.
Yes.
So you didn't pull this man into your vehicle or anything like that.
No, I didn't pull him into no vehicle.
Okay.
His wife even came and got him out of the vehicle. She was telling him, stop.
wife.
She said, oh, sorry. But she was like, stop. Then she have kids in the car.
Yes, she told me.
I was about to, she said that. Like, I heard her saying that. That's all, because he was literally in my car over me. I'm trying to fight him off of me. I was literally about to put the car and drive off with him because he was literally in my car. And the kids were just like screaming and stuff.
I got that.
I'm glad that the wife came. Oh, well, sorry.
The lady.
The lady.
That's not related to him.
Alright, let's stay. You want to step over here and talk to us?
So, who's coming to pick up?
Oh my God, brother.
No, brother.
Is he over here?
Yeah. So I'm going to jail?
Yeah. I don't want to take you to jail, but I have.
Can I just tell him to get the kids down?
Yeah, we'll let him.
Let's
Because
do
I'm
that.
gonna detain you.
I don't want to do it for
Hey,
you.
don't stop.
I was about to say, can I just tell him though? I wouldn't make a scene. But what am I going to jail for?
He'll explain everything to you in just a moment, right?
Am I going to have a bond?
Yeah.
So I'm going to jail for real.
Yeah.
Is the man going to jail?
No.
Wait, what? Oh my God, I cannot go to jail. Oh my God, I'm really going to jail.
Yes, ma'am. You got nothing on your rent?
No, I don't. Please, can you
You have
just?
clothes on under this robe?
No, I don't. Can you please tell my god brother?
We will.
I'll bring
We're
him
not
over here so
leaving.
you
We're not
can
leaving
talk
right now. I don't put you in the car.
Okay.
Step in here. I'll go get him right now. Have him come over, okay?
Okay,
I'll bring him right
please.
to the
I'm
window.
gonna lower the window for you. I'm sorry. It's not something I want to do.
What did I do?
Good. You mind coming over here and speaking with us?
Don't tell your mama or somebody come get me and kill me the first time. He said I have a blood when I get full. Oh my God, I can't.
Yeah, you have a bond. It's fine.
Huh?
You have a bond.
It's all right, man.
Call your mama, please. Wait, this shit is crazy. This man. Oh, man, please. Tell Patrick to come get me. I swear to God.
Come on, Ariana.
What's up, bud? You ready? What you watching? What you watching? Yeah. Mr. Hamilton, do you live close to here? 1 hour, you said? 30 minutes. I was gonna see if it was easier for you to just take her car to your house and then come back and get your car, but it's a car seat and everything, but...
I'm gonna take the car seat too.
Okay.
Kim, this way. Mercedes done. They taking Mercedes to jail.
Facts are presented, charges are filed, but only the courts can judge. Share your opinion below.